Alright, so here's the museum of the Middleforth Steam Railway. So here's Mallard, which is put on display here because its boiler ticket has expired. So it's going to be on display here until 2 years. So we have model replica number 1042 locomotive built by Fletcher Jennings and Company Limited of Whitehaven in 1864. However, this is a replica built in 2005. On this occasion, it was bearing the livery of one of the famous Thomas the Tank Engine characters, Skarloey, who is now on display in the museum because its boiler ticket has expired. And over here is number 4042 locomotive built by Kerr Stewart and Company Limited of Stoke-on-Trent in 1921. On this occasion, bearing the livery of one of the famous Thomas the Tank Engine characters, Peter Sam. Yeah, so Peter Sam will be on display as well, and because his boiler ticket has expired. So then we have another number 4 locomotive, which was Gordon in disguise, but now it's in disguise as the Flying Scotsman in its green guise. And it'll be on display until I don't know when. And then we have diesel engine is Dodge, who was from Thomas and the Magic Railroad. And over here we have Splatter, who was from Thomas and the Magic Railroad. So Splatter and Dodge's motor tickets have expired, and now they're going to stay there until I don't know when. Sort of 2 years. I don't know. So that's it. Thanks for watching, looking at the museum, and I hope to see more videos coming soon. So here's the before I go, here's the loco place. There's the loco shed where you have all the locomotives you can find, and some rolling stock. Some engines are already in steam. However, we have Thomas and Percy, who we use for Days Out with Thomas events. We've got the Fat Controller. We've got Rusty and Dusty, and then we also have Father Christmas used for the Christmas event. We've got some faces for the engines. Other stuff too. So that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later. Bye.